We have in two of our feeders the Wildgame Innovations Digital Feeder Kit. Now, this is surprisingly easy to work with. A lot of feeder control units can feel overly complicated, but this one is pretty straightforward. The digital display is clean and simple, and the buttons aren't tiny or frustrating. You can set your feed times without feeling like you're programming a spaceship. The first thing we notice is when you take out of the box that the build feels solid, it doesn't feel flimsy, the housing is weather resistant, and after a couple days of rain, everything stayed dry and working like normal. No moisture inside, no glitching, nothing weird, which is exactly what you want when your feeder is sitting out in the elements 24/7. The motor throws feed consistently and evenly. That's a big deal because some feeders scatter too wide or too weak, but this one hits that sweet spot. You can tell it's designed for hunters who actually rely on consistent feeding cycles. I also like that the digital timer lets you set multiple feeding times throughout the day so you can customize it how your deer move. Installation is a lot easier than you expect. If you used any other Wildgame Innovation products, it'll feel familiar. It fits well on most standard barrels, and the mounting hardware doesn't fight you. Once it's on, it stays put, no shaking loose or rattling. What we really like the most is that it's reliable. You don't have to babysit it or constantly check it to see if it's working. Once it's programmed, it does its job quietly and consistently. Overall, this feeder kit is perfect for hunters who want something durable, easy to use, and dependable season after season. It's beginner friendly, but still tough enough for experienced hunters who run multiple feeders. Solid product all around.